Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a cooking video. I haven't done any cooking for quite some time, but at the minute I have got quite a lot of time on my hands, so I thought I'll do a video about cooking just to try and cheer people up a little bit. What I'm going to cook tonight is one of my favourites, a spam sandwich. I've used spam for various things, but really fried spam sandwich is probably the ultimate use of spam. There's a little bit of engineering in the opening of the tin of spam. It's always been a bit of a pain to get out of the tin. You sometimes damage the product by getting it out. So I've devised a method which not only removes the spam from the tin, it also slices it. Normally when you take the spam out, it's sliced that way and you put 2 slices to a bun. I'm going to slice it that way into 4, so 1 slice should be nice on a big bread bun. Right, that being said, the first thing I'm going to do is go into the workshop and slice the spam. This is the device I've designed and built for slicing the spam. It's a pneumatic spam opener. In the past I have removed the end cap from the tin, put a small hole in and used the air line to gently drift the spam out. But this time we'll remove that. The spam goes into there. It's well clamped down, secured with a hole in the end. I administer compressed air at probably less than 50 psi. The compressed air should force the spam out of the tin and through this 3 pieces of stainless steel lock wire, which is going to slice the spam into 4. The first thing we need to do is open a tin of spam. This spam has been at room temperature all day, so it should be in prime condition. Then we need to put a hole in for the compressed air. I've got a little punch here, which has obviously been sterilised. Put a hole at the end of the tin. And the spam there was ready to mount onto the pneumatic slicer. I have got runners on which make sure that the can is lined up nice and accurately with the cutting wires. You don't want uneven sized slices because people start to complain. Right, so that's quite firmly held down and I can get the air line into the little port there. Right, I think we're ready to go. I have got safety gear on, I've got eye protection on. I'll give it a try. I think we've had partial success. In fact, that is just about 100%. It's nearly all the way through. Simply a matter of the last 1/8 of an inch, and we've got 4 nice slices of spam. Absolutely spot on. 4 nice bun-sized slices. We'll go back into the kitchen now and see if we can cook it. I aim for 11mm and they're all within. That's the smallest one, that one's 10.75. Those are all about 11.3, so that's not bad. It means the spacing of the wires has worked out quite nicely. It's left a good finish as well. Time now to fry it. I'm going to use a non-stick pan. You don't need to put any butter or lard or margarine or oil in the pan. The spam's basically self-lubricating. Cooked over a medium heat. You need to get the outer face or the top and bottom of the spam nice and crispy. This is not health food. This is not healthy at all. But I'm sure every now and again a spam sandwich won't do you any harm. It's It's what I would call comfort food, and I'm sure at the minute we could all do with a little bit of comfort. I know I certainly could. The spam's coming on quite nicely. I'm probably able to hear it sizzling away there. The spam's already cooked. It's actually cooked in the tin. You can eat it cool, but it's not something I do. Starting to get a little bit of colour. You do get a beautiful golden brown colour when it's ready. I've got some mushrooms here. I'm going to put mushrooms in with it. You can have any vegetable you want with spam, really. I like fried mushrooms. Tin tomatoes are also a great favourite of mine. This is just about done now. Mushrooms are cooked. Great, time to serve it. The nice soft red ones here. So it fits really nicely. Some mushrooms. That's warm, that. Just guard that bit till I turn the camera off. There you have it. You could put, some people put butter on here, I don't. Some people garnish it with various things. Personally I like a little bit of red sauce. So we'll put some sauce on and then we'll give it the taste test. Right, I decided to go for one red sauce and one brown sauce. Right, so all that remains to say is thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Now if I managed to make one person smile or one person get a laugh from this video, then it's all been worth doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Absolutely stunning.